Hi, my name's Andrew Siegel. I'm the senior trial lawyer at Siegel Coonerty. We're a New York City personal injury and medical malpractice law firm. Today's video topic clip, it's going to be called The Lawyer's Obligation to Tell the Client the Good, the Bad, and the Ugly. Let me give you an example. We'll call it the dart out. What's a dart out? That's a common phrase used in our industry where a pedestrian darts out from in between cars outside the crosswalk in front of an oncoming vehicle and gets struck. The defense in the case is, hey, the guy darted out. There was nothing I could do to avoid striking the pedestrian. From our point of view, that may in fact be the case. And if we believe that is the case, we will not handle your matter. But if the facts that you tell us are such that we believe that maybe the driver wasn't keeping a proper lookout, he was traveling too fast under the circumstances, or he didn't take avoidance measures that he could have taken, had the time to take, then we'll handle your case. But we have to inform you, again, of the good, the bad, and the ugly. The good may be that you have a lawsuit. The bad may be that you contributed to the happening of your own accident. Here in New York, that's called comparative negligence, where a jury can compare your conduct with that of the driver in terms of evaluating the issue of liability or fault. You may be 50% responsible for your accident. The driver may be 50% responsible for your accident. But I have to tell you, again, it is our obligation to tell you that this is a limiting factor in your case, that this may be a problem in your case. And we understand you may not want to hear it, but I caution you against going with an attorney who you tell that you darted out in between cars. If this attorney should tell you, oh, it's a great case, it's wonderful, not a problem, you have to question the veracity of that attorney. Because the truth of the matter is that there may be some comparative conduct on your behalf. This is Andrew Siegel. I'm an attorney here in Manhattan. If you're looking for an attorney for an injury matter or a personal injury case, and you want to get the straight talk from that attorney right from the start, give me a call, 212-532-0532.